All right, so a couple weeks back, this Bissell Crosswave brush roll got stained in a SpaghettiOs slow motion video I was doing. I tried to wash it at the time using their recommendation, which is just water, warm water, and it really didn't come off at all. Well, not that much. So I'm going to try something else. These are actually not too bad to replace. I'll put links to Amazon in the description. They're actually fairly cheap, but I just thought if I could use and put a scoop of Oxyclean and warm water in that. And the only thing I'm going to do is try to avoid putting this metal piece into the solution. Looks like it's just plastic down here. Just want to prevent rust, but as I said, they're really cheap. I shouldn't even worry about it. But all right, so here we go. And with Oxyclean, it does recommend keeping it in there for 1 to 6 hours. So we'll see how long it takes. I need to fill that up just a little bit more to make sure it's all the way covered. Well, I only soaked it for about an hour, maybe a little less even. It did do a lot better. I think that if I would have soaked it for a couple, 3 hours, it would have been a lot better than this. But yeah, it cleaned up pretty well. Just depends on how dirty it is, whether you want to replace them or not. All right, thanks for watching. Links in the description. See you later.